Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2016 Chrysler 200. I'm going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping to look at the tires. Just going to be looking for dents, dings, scratches, any imperfections in the paint. A couple little thin spots there. A few more little marks right there. Real pretty blue color, got a lot of chrome accents on it just to kind of help set it off. Inside the vehicle, you do get multiple adjustments here for the driver's seat. It's a nice black cloth seating. 47,533 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM. This is also going to be your display for your backup camera. It is a push button start. All your climate control and radio functionality just below it there. All the flooring surface is going to be black to match the seats. Looking in the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seating surface. No rips, no tears, no staining. A little bit of grass tracked in from the lot here. Looking in the trunk now, a lot of cargo space back here. The back seats can be let down, giving you full pass-through storage. Coming in from the passenger side now, just taking one more look around. There's an integrated armrest here with a little added storage and some cup holders. We'll wrap up in the front passenger seat. Passenger gets multiple adjustments as well as the driver. One more look over the seating surface. One more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2016 Chrysler 200.